enough.
Day 20.
We are putting in the work.
So share and help we. What's the AC girl? What's the AC girl? A good girl is here. A good girl, so people, like just, me don't even have my lash. Me not put on no lash because that shit irritate my eye. People right now, good girl say she go, you know, I get up late, you know, because we're supposed to wake up from about 6:30 or so, but good girl end up wake up was about after 8. Yeah, after 8. So guys, the plan was supposed to make clap of breakfast in bed. Yeah, you know, I want to surprise the people, man, sometime. That just I'm my dog, I'm my son. Yeah, guys. So right now, kept awake. I never did want him waking, and I'm kept on awake like him smell the rat. Yeah, him smell the rat. Oh, me that go chef up. Yeah, guys. So right now, I'm in the bathroom and shit. Hey, this guy came out half fully. I'm in the bathroom and shit, guys. So right about now, I'm just go around there and tell him stay with him there until I don't set up around. I say, yeah, I got to surprise the people, man, with things. I got to. Yeah, guys. So. If you don't know, please to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And run go over to our comedy channel, Abbi, and keep on Comedy TV. Run go over to Abbi's Badness, so the good girl answer. I will go over to Kepo's TV, the dirty boy with him, Kepo. So anyways, guys, I'm going to bring on to him.
Go on, Abbi.
Yo! Well, you're not going to the bathroom, you're not bathroom for your stinking phone.
Okay.
Are you still looking for ideas for vlogmas?
Yeah, shit, long I done. Yeah, it's disgusting, eh?
You think? After I come surprise you, they sleep.
Surprise me though.
Just wait till you
Surprise me though.
Just wait till you do not go around there until I come for you.
I'm not doing this.
Do not go.
I'm not going around there.
You what? You what?
I'm not going around there. That's a book.
Do not go around there when you wake. I'll come for you. So you gotta stay in the room, and if you want to fix up the room,
Okay, we'll finish it in a piece now. Go ahead.
what you want to do?
Go ahead, man. You see that stuff?
Let's take it like that.
I can't show the pan or something.
Yeah. You get what you sticking on Jesus, guys. Good girl, I shall hold out a while ago. I'm not at that. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to do a set up a little picnic something. Yeah, picnic something for the people, man. Because I don't know, even though people, man, we have to try and take care of them. One of them, I'm going to pause this and set up the stand.
So, guys, I don't know what Abbi have to start about. She want my weight pan for surprise me. I don't know what she had around there. I'm sitting in my sleeping now. I just done his bathroom and thing. So, I want to wait to sit and see what she really did on people.
Jesus Christ, stop that stinky, man.
That's it. I'm going to wait and see what she did on.
Oh, yeah, I know that, come on.
Me don't like me.
What I do?
No, yet, bro.
What I video?
Go now. So, guys, I'm going to wait to see it. I'm going to ask me.
So guys, but just bust it for the boy, keep around like, yeah, the boy tries. I don't know what they in there do, but I just bust it for the boy. So guys, I'm going to bring it in the kitchen. Why come like somebody in my tree? Appear nice me out here in the tree. No, my love. So guys, I'm going to bring it in the kitchen now with me, right? With the good girl. Sebu! Oh, baby, Sebu. Watch your mama, baby. Oh, baby, Sebu. Watch it. Oh, yeah, okay, come on. You got to come on. Hey, my baby, Sebu. So ugly. Come on, why am I about this one? Stop! With a piece of slippers, Jesus Christ. I put some minty. My sister, what I say, I'm a Christian, what I say, we're supposed to wait till the water boil first, and then like it have and put the minty in their feet, dry. But you know, I saw good girl, I do good girl and follow rules. So I'm going to fry up some egg and such as couple. So stay tuned. No, I know guys, that Jesus, therefore I forgot I use butter as what you call it, substitute or whatever. Right there, so yeah guys, some more. Some of them right so. So I'm going to strain up the water and then place them in another pot. So, So I want to watch my time lapse all of this shit, so. Don't watch the things them when it's a civil bed watching. Right the same sleep. No, come on, don't take care. Guess what we're going to do? We just decide, we're going to try to look up, look pack for them. Nothing too big, nothing too big. So I'm going to cover them, I think that food and night and this season cover food. So I'm going to put 2 of them down. And so, and one time, I'm going to tell him, say, all right, lift up the something now. And when I lift it up, I'm going to say nothing. And I'm choose something under there. I can't choose under there. I can put 7 under there. Right through. Yeah, guys. I wonder if that's animal cruelty. Lord Jesus. I tell him to go wet up him ear now and come on so. So guys, film food, they in the microwave. They in the microwave. Wanna see how me have to borrow off Sevo? I say Sevo. Sevo just I saw the Sevo the pot. So if me never borrow Sevo the food, then would I eat up a long time. So I'm gonna call him now before though. You know the food get cold and so. Step on it. Go. Wow. Stop. You have to sit down now.
What?
Sit down. Sit down now, Jack.
Down for them?
Yeah.
Very afraid though.
Alright, go. Over the eyes.
But why you feel like excited or what?
Over the eyes. Good morning. I'm preparing breakfast.
You for me breakfast?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
Oh yeah, where I have to come to this? I'm sorry.
Wait, let me tell you to take up the plate. That's enough,
You
sir.
have food in your stomach for do.
Just get tea first. Bust the gas, man. You didn't even say thanks. I said no.
You want to look funny for me, thank you.
Wait a minute,
What's some food you give me? Think of the thank you go.
Watch out. I'm not faith in my people. I'm not faith in
I'm not
my
faith,
people.
but I'm look on the food. To know how much thank
The
you.
first thing you're supposed to say, I thank you.
No, you're supposed to look and say, you bought me this? Okay, thank you. I look funny.
People say, I'm grateful though. So I'm grateful. Drink some tea.
I want about tea that.
Minty. It's minty.
Yeah. Don't play dinner, baby. You're skeptical. You're skeptical.
But I'm boss of gas though.
So all your tea looks so different from mine. It smells like mint.
Well, yeah, Chelsea, my pies here. Hey, what's up about the other side, guys? Put the tears up for about it. Yeah, guys, so. Oh, this is. Oh, take over the plate. Yeah, guys, I'm hungry now.
My girl, what you do? Don't be me.
Yo, why are you full?
What is this?
People are saying that will come here and tell me I call him or I'm going with me. This wine don't deserve nothing. None of him don't deserve. Give me a food. They don't deserve anything. Because they say they did with me on this. That's why I'm getting flour.
So you could. No! We're not getting nothing.
Yeah, but give me something now.
Where my food is?
See that? You don't deserve nothing. If you want food, you get to buy and make the food by yourself.
Right.
That's one time I call it, oh yeah, behave. But all of my girl, all of man, you're not appreciative and none. That's why you end up with flour. You know see? Cheap people better, man.
Alright.
That's why you end up with flour.
Alright, I see what you do. Hey, you might play it. You might play it.
Yeah, but leave me alone.
Yo, make sure you put that for me now. Hello.
Guys, I'm so calling nicely.
You got the tea actually taste good though.
Nice, I'm calling boy, nice, you know.
Never wonder about you, cause I them punch your love though.
And I'm there. Oh, no, my girl, that's why you get flour. You don't deserve nothing.
Whatever they
You're not appreciative or nothing. That's why you get that.
No,
Right,
right.
true.
You call it nice and that, we have to get flour. That's good.
If you want breakfast, you make it a 7 things to me, good girl. I'm at the sasso. I'm gonna make breakfast with dirty together. No.
Of course.
No love. After me, no man mascot.
Guys, if you wife, she'll always be the other girl. Give me something else. You can't be wife, you man. She make her look a good teeth still. Not really teeth.
Much later.
Where you get the burger now? Ungrateful, are you ungrateful? I would never do that to her. But from now on, I start playing fair by fair rules, guys. Fair rules. So same energy she give me, I give it to her back. You get me? And if I prank, she actually prank me. But I and I is independent, and if I and I get this, I and I can go and make some fritters with this. No, but no, I'm happy, you know. Just for them happy here. Happy give me. Happy give me food. Right.
What else about that?
But as I was saying, guys, if anybody give me enough food, but I make my own food. That's the man rule.
Yeah, you're supposed to make your own food.
I'll find out today.
I'm always surprised you. You can't surprise people, man, nowadays.
With flour?
I'm surprised people, man, with breakfast. It is supposed to be a little picnic and stuff, but you know, we can't never plan on the goal.
Oh.
Yeah, come just get up this morning and think about it, can be still asleep. Mess, alright. Most of the morning, them the dirty boy make galaxy come give me, you know, and try to find breakfast, so I'm going to just return the favor to them. Right you!
So I can come back?
Where them go?
Pick up
So
packet.
guys, my sister just come back. Oh, so whenever they go pick a package with them, guys, we just gonna finish eat the food and then come back.
Abby, thank you for the breakfast. Come here, I appreciate it. No kiss, no kiss. She going, oh God, she going. So guys, Abby give breakfast in bed. Breakfast early in the morning. Yeah, it tastes good and things. I love choke in 2 times. But I appreciate it the same way. Yo.
Watch out.
Yo, what you do?
Watch out. Hey. Yes, Shebu. Yes, my son. Watch out.
Hey, back at it again, another one piece of great shots.
I hear one wait until it's done.
I let you.
Don't
You know how
go.
far this I come from?
How far?
You remember? I think I know better.
Dollar Tree.
You be right, dirty boy.
I said the Dollar Tree, no, you can't buy Dollar Tree.
Eh? I them somebody that sell on Dollar Tree.
Oh. Come, Seven, come. Good boy. Move. Hey, man, Abby, where do? What are you getting now? She can't kitchen. I'll have to try. By the bar ass and Nyamar life to me. Hey, see I can't get it down.
So guys, right to on the road now. Me have to attack so because the music I play. So that's why we're not gonna say much trap after.
Yeah, people. So right now we are gonna collect the ornaments them. Yes, I'm a driver there. Oh,
People have been a question because every time we come in, we turn off the radio. We turn off the night.
And you know you don't mess with black people radio, bro. Yeah. So right now we are gonna collect the thing them. I'm showing them and we get them.
Just
Yeah.
on to now, my boy.
Somebody upset, guys. They don't know anything.
Upset!
Whoa.
Guys, say why look on.
Yeah. Watch kid if you so. Watch her.
I will take it up.
Every time she talk about cap, make me mask.
Look,
She done me for her own mask.
I mean, you can't buy one in there and a fucking $100 fee.
Guys, now I go buy by myself. I'll be still a kid.
People man. Racho.
But if you want again, come put it.
Tambourine, not the gapo.
Oh, there's not a tambourine in there.
Tambourine in there, you're too
Tambourine
loud.
is there.
You going there with the tambourine?
What do you mean? What do you mean going there and see much tambourine?
Hey, how's the food? Go on, man. And feel and stay. She never know I have one for her extra.
Okay, we're back to.
Yeah, but you're hello, you're deaf me. Eh?
At least you're not going to work today.
Kiss me. Give me a kiss, I'm going to give you. Psych.
Yeah, give me some.
My girl, my people see we know.
Oh,
We can't be doing dirty in the car.
Mama.
Seven drop out? So guys, just I come back off of the road.
I'll go outside, start blow cool and stuff.
Guys, so you guys
Sorry,
better show
guys.
me which one I'm going to pick. So I picked the one with the snowman pan it, the snowman.
So man, so guys, we just reach our home, you know, we just reach our outside, just start blow chilly so.
Yeah, what they cool and nice, man.
It just blow as we reach inside.
Oh, you can breathe, man.
Yeah, like how we bring it.
We bring it.
How we drop it right there, so right there, so.
So now we're going to show you guys the ornaments that we got. So the forward.
Yeah. And our son name right there, so. Right there, so. When I say.
Crystal
Rachu.
Oh dear.
And if you don't think dirty cap will get left out, see man, right there, sir, right there, sir. Hey, boo, right there, sir. Hey, I'm a son.
You want to see this? Because I'm going to name this up in the ask Christ.
Put up ornaments, 7. Put up ornaments. Right, 7. You put it up, 7, my son. Where is it? Yeah!
Allah, yeah, good job, 7. Good job, good job, good job.
Wanna clap for 7? 1 time for my boy named 7.
Yeah, yeah.
2 times for my boy named 7.
Yeah, yeah.
3 times for my boy named 7. Hey, 7, 7, 7. Right,
You
you.
see, I teach you to go to do. Me, man. Alright, people. So
Right, you, right,
special
you.
ball.
Come on, you take too long.
See the guys? That's my name right there on the street. You know, have you put on fear ball right now, right now, right now?
Yeah, guys, so see it here. 7, come around here.
Okay, okay. So see
Yeah,
the guys?
so don't take care. Abbi at us also. Good body 7 right there, so right there, so.
See 3 there?
Yeah.
Both from the ground up.
So everybody else must put on for them
Both
one,
it.
but you know we're not really business for them.
Both guys. I want this man. Where does I go?
Right, you.
So guys, the vlog. Abbi, where you do?
Yeah, guys, we have a chick 7, we can't 7, make one bag of nice.
With a baller. And I anything.
Yeah, guys, so I think I eat this. We're going to end off the vlog right there, so because we have to catch up on the rest of the vlog them. Yeah. I saw.
So make sure we get the vlog them on the road and do everything so we can end up on the right there. Pan track, you know?
Pan track,
That's
guys.
what I work
They
on right
know.
now.
It's the young thing different. Wee woo.
Okay.
Right, so, right, so.
So my hopes and enjoy Abbi to give him a breakfast, but she give him a flow and
And the boy I appreciate if you know him, don't appreciate
yeah,
it.
because more times remove water, isn't me? But I actually appreciate it though. I really do. Even though but I can't show your emotions them sometimes.
Yeah, but man, I talks in this.
Yeah, so
Right, you.
yeah, so I think though.
Yeah, guys, if you enjoy the video, make sure you hit like button, subscribe
Subscribe
for
for
the
the
new
new.
more. And go over to the channel.
Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
I'm gonna go over to Abbi's madness on the good girl answer.
And go subscribe to our page.
Right, so.
And don't forget, go over to Capo's TV
Dirty
and
boy
go
when in Capo.
subscribe.
I'll be
Alright.
follow up on the grab down below. Right
yeah.
there, so, right there, so. So
Follow up on
until
Instagram.
then.
AC Gang is.
Oh, bye.